Hello, how are you doing? Hope everyone is fine here. So today I'll just take you through a quick tutorial on how to make a very natural eyebrow. So you need 2 shades of different eyebrow pencils, a dark one and a lighter one. So for the dark shade, I'm going ahead with the black. I'm using it to sketch my eyebrow. While doing the sketch, try to sketch the exact size of your eyebrow. Then I'm going ahead with the brown eye pencil to fill in my eyebrow. While filling in, try to just tick like one by one, like lightly. It's like you paint a stick but lightly. Avoid shading if you want it to be natural. Just tick lightly, Then I'll go ahead and get my spoolie brush to comb so that my eyebrow blends so well. Then I'll go ahead and use a concealer to give it a very high definition. You can use any concealer of your choice, but personally I'm using Lagal Pro Concealer. It's called the Lagal Hydro Pro Concealer, So I'm pulling it under my eyebrow using a small fluffy brush. It will help to define your eyebrow very well. And while you're concealing up your eyebrow, use a very less product. Always keep it in mind, like less is more. Try to use less product. Then after, I'll go ahead and blend it, like I clean it off. Blend. Then I'm going ahead with my eyebrow gel. I got it from Rimmel London. It's so good. It helps to make the eyebrow super natural. Hope you can see it in the video. Then I'll go ahead and finish with setting my eyebrow. When you set your eyebrow, it means you can have it all day when still in place, all day. See you in my next video.